Healthy, masarap, mura. Panalong-panalo talaga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa MOA, sa restaurant named Stuffed. And we are here to try their famous bowl. Yan siya guys. You can customize your own beef, veggie, or chicken. You will choose the sauce and mga sahog. This one is 365 pesos. Let's try it. Pinili namin is all based. For the sauce, mayo cucumber, and sweet Thai sauce. For the toppings naman, we have cilantro rice, glazed carrots, broccoli, buttered corn, and smoky macaron. Very healthy option siya kung gusto nyo ng meals because whole foods yung mga ginamit nila. For 365 pesos, sobrang dami. Parang yung serving pwede pagatian. The macaroni cooked very well, masarap. Yung cilantro rice, maasim, medyo may sipa ng anghang, very minimal. Mas gusto namin yung chicken nila kaysa sa beef. Generous din yung amount ng meat. Cucumber, fresh, juicy. Yung carrots malambot, hindi nga lang siya super crunchy. Walang lasa yung broccoli. Yes, ulit. Although if prefer nyo kasi yung mga pinrito, ganyan na hindi masyadong healthy for us, baka hindi nyo magustuhan to. Ito naman yung quesadilla version. This one is only 275 pesos. And parang sobrang laki niya. Tignan mo naman. Oh. May kita mga spots dyan, kita mong maganda yung pagkaka-roast. Pwede ka namang mag-request kung gusto mong mas tostado. Try natin. This one is all based there. Cabbage, tomato, lettuce. Yung pinili kong flavoring is spicy habanero and yung smoky barbecue. Sobrang sarap yung smoky barbecue. Yung spicy habanero naman actually maanghang siya. So kung hindi ka mahilig sa maanghang, huwag mong try yun. For this one, wala nang toppings. Wala na yung mga gulay-gulay, yung broccoli, yung carrots. Pero meron siyang cheese. If gusto mo ng gantong wrap, pero mas gusto mo yung mga may gulay, go get the burrito. For 275, sulit ba? Yes, sulit. Promise, masarap. Lahat ng menu nila na na-try ko, marirecommend ko lahat. Healthier option siya. If you are looking for something healthy or gusto mag-switch from normal foods to healthy foods, try to consider Stuffed.